Hi everyone, I'm Tom from Design911. Today I'm here to give you a quick guide on how to get the most out of our website. So whether you're a first-time visitor or one of our regular customers, we want to make sure that you can easily find exactly what you need for your Porsche or Porsche, whichever one you own. So we've recently made some exciting updates, adding new features, improving navigation and making it even simpler to browse thousands of Porsche parts, accessories and upgrades. But with so much now available, some features might not stand out right away. So in this video, I'll walk you through the essentials from finding the right part for your specific model to using filters and changing layouts. So let's dive in and take a look at what's new and how you can make the most out of your time on our website. To start, open your browser and go to design911.com. Click the login icon in the top right corner if you're a returning customer and have already created your account with us. Enter your email address and password, click Login to my account. If this is your first time buying on the website, you can create a login at checkout or continue as a guest. Once logged in, the icon will change to a circle with your initials. So that means you're good to go. So if you're buying for the first time or don't have an account, start by selecting your preferred settings. Click the drop-down arrow to select your language. You can now choose your currency, either pounds, euros, or dollars. You can now select your location. This will be important for accurate stock indicators, so please make sure you don't skip this step. Click Save Choices. Now select the model of your Porsche, choose the type. Click Save Vehicle to lock in your selection. And now for the good stuff. Let's start shopping. So navigate using the main menu on the left-hand side and select the category that you're interested in. Relevant product types will appear in the middle of the page. Click the ones that you wish to browse. You can adjust how the products are displayed using the layout icons. Choose between a single product, 4 in a row, or 8 in a row. You can now apply brand filters to narrow down your selection, choosing one or more brands and click Apply Filters. You'll be presented with just that brand of product on this page. To remove any filters, simply click Clear Filters. So when viewing a product, you can click Alternative Products to see similar or upgrade options. So now let's go on to stock indicators. The dark green dot means the item is in stock from the designated dispatch warehouse. These parts we are able to get out the door within 24 hours. The light green dot means it's in stock but at a different warehouse. So this may take a few extra days for dispatch as we need to transfer from warehouse to warehouse first. The yellow dot means it's not currently in stock, but we can order it for you. Approximate lead times will be displayed in the number of days we usually get parts from the supplier. The blue dot means it's not currently in stock, but it is already on order. Lead time from the supplier will be shown next to the dot. So it's good to note that European customers are served solely from our Dutch warehouse. UK and non-EU customers are served from our UK warehouse. So please make sure you select where you are in the world first, so you are shown the correct stock indicators on our website. Beneath the alternative products, you will find part diagrams that correspond with the product that's in view. This leads us to another way of browsing our parts catalogue. Find detailed part diagrams for Porsche models up to 2017. More models are continuously being added, so if your car hasn't got any diagrams on the website, that means we're just working on it. From the main page, click Shop with Diagrams, select one of the 10 categories based on official Porsche diagrams. When the image loads, click the part that you need. If multiple options exist, a pop-up window will appear for you to choose from. So diagrams are perfect for finding ancillary parts like nuts, bolts, washers, or parts not listed on the main catalogue. Part diagrams will allow you to browse all parts for your Porsche. So lastly, we offer you the search bar as an alternative way to find parts. Located at the top of the website, enter a part number or a description, something like brake disc, to find the closest match. Now click Add to Basket for each part that you require. Once done, click the car icon in the top right corner to review your basket. You can change the delivery country here if needed. If you're in the European Union and have a business VAT number, you can apply it here. If valid, VAT will be removed. Now click Checkout to finalize your order. So Design911 is constantly updating its website. If anything in this guide doesn't match what you see, please reach out to us. It probably means we have to do this all over again. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again for choosing Design911. Happy shopping.